Hi, it's Gina with your Note of the Week. This week's note is about prompt codes. Prompt codes are associated with item records for a product that you may sell that may be age sensitive, like alcohol products. So a prompt code will prompt a cashier to check for ID. So I'm going to go into Inventory, Items, and I have an item called beer. And when beer is sold at point of sale, I want my cashier to check for ID. To set up the prompt code, you're going to click on the Other tab, and you can see I already have one defined here. So let's take a look at it. I'm going to go into the Lookup. Now, if you want to add a prompt code, you're going to click on Add. Once you get to the Add window, you're going to type the prompt code name on the prompt code line, press the Enter key, type a description, and then the text to display. This is the text that the cashier will see when they're prompted for ID. The data type in this example is going to be date, but it can also be alpha or numeric. Entry is going to be required, so my cashier can't skip entering information into the window. And once per document, this is probably a very logical switch to enable. So if your customer is buying more than one age-sensitive product, they're not going to get prompted every time that product is scanned. Now, this constraint, you have to be very, very accurate with this. So the constraint is age, years, no spaces, open parentheses, the letter V is in victory, close parentheses, greater than, equal 21. So basically the constraint is saying whatever the cashier types into the date window has to be something older than 21. Now, if the cashier types in something that does not meet the constraint, this is the error message that you can define to say anything, but this is the message that will display. So you can even test the constraint from here, which is really, really practical. So I'm going to click on Test Constraint. Now, this is exactly what your sales associate will see at point of sale. So I'm just going to type in a pretty early date. This person is, not that old. And I'm going to click on Test. And this is the message the cashier will receive if the date doesn't match the constraint. So next I'll type in a date that will match the constraint. And I will click on Test. And the entry is valid. And that's the Note of the Week. I hope it was helpful. Talk to you again next week. Thanks for joining me for this session of Note of the Week. Hope to see you again soon. We would love to hear from you. If you would like to submit a question for Note of the Week, email training@cksystem.com. And on the subject line, type Note of the Week. If you would like to schedule training time or request a free training catalog, call me at 888-476-7911, extension 3. Talk to you next week. Bye.